And hello there. Today, I'm going to show you how to make shortcuts to wine apps on Linux. Now, I'm going to assume that you already have at least wine installed, wine tricks as well maybe. So as they say on TV, here's one I made earlier.
Welcome
And yes, I'm
to
going to skip
Only
this
Basics
part,
in
but
Education and Learning.
that's me. That's
Hi.
me.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Oh, well, come on. Well, now we know that works. Okay, so we're ready to start making a shortcut. So, I want to make a shortcut to this game here, which I downloaded a couple of days ago, I think. Firstly though, because it doesn't have a separate icon, we need to extract the icon from the exe. And to do this, first we need to download this little utility. For Fedora and Debian-based systems, you'll just have to replace this with whatever your package manager is. I'm not going to do this because I've already installed it, so there's no point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open the terminal in this folder. Just right click on any blank space in the folder, open terminal here, and now you see that the terminal is right where we need it. So this command will extract the icon from the exe. Now because it's got spaces in it, we have to put it in quotation marks, but we'll just do that now. And there we go, we've got our icon. So now we're ready to make the shortcut, which is this text here. So what we're going to do now, well, first we're going to give it a name. In this case, the Hour of Joy, because as you probably know, I'm a huge Poppy Playtime fan. And now we just need to fill in all these blanks. So first off, the full path to the exe file. Now we could just type it all out, but if you do that, and if you're anything like me, you're going to make mistakes. So here's a much better way to do it. I'm going to open my terminal, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move that down a little bit so we can see. I'm going to take the exe file, drop it into the terminal, and hey, look at that. We've got the full file path. So I'm just going to copy this like so. Copy that and paste it into the text editor. Now, I found that if I replace these single quotes with double quotes, that actually works. But for these other things, there mustn't be any spaces. We can't use quotation marks. So what we're going to do now is, for the path, we're just going to copy this part of the thing. We're just going to copy this. So from here to here, right, I'll copy that. So it's basically everything except the exe file. Put that in there. Now where it says type application, we leave this as application, and as categories we can put anything we want in there. I've just put it as game, and now we'll just get the full file path of the icon. And before I actually do that, I'm just going to remove all the spaces from the icon's name, because that's going to make things a lot easier. Right, let's just remove all that. And there's our full file path to our icon, so I'll just copy that and put that into the text editor. I'll remove these single quotation marks. And there we go, there's our shortcut. So it's actually, it's not as complicated as some people might think. So next thing I gotta do is save this as a .desktop file. Because a .desktop file is that, it treats those as shortcuts, and that's what we need to do. So I'm just gonna save this as Hour of Joy.desktop. Now if we go into Documents, it should be there. Anyway, there's our shortcut. But there's one final thing that we need to do. We need to make it executable. Now, this is where most Linux users will say, oh, open the terminal and do chmod plus x, whatever. We're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to right-click the file, go to Properties and Permissions, and where it says Allow Executing Files Program, we're going to check that. And it should be ready. I'm just going to refresh. Okay, so double-click that, and it should work. And voila! That's how easy it is.